Okay, y'all. All right, first of all, if you don't know, I work a third shift job, okay? Third shift. So when I come home, I go to sleep. All right? I'm out. My alarm clock is my daughter. She comes home around 3:15. Okay? That's my alarm clock. She comes in, wakes me up, and I'm good to go for the rest of the night. So she came in just now, like she always does. Hey, Dad, I have the mail, and I have a package for you. So I'm looking in her hand, and I'm like, the hell, was that a Subway sandwich? Did somebody deliver a Subway sandwich through the mail? Let me show y'all what the hell I just woke up to. Boy, I thought it couldn't get no worse. And then it does. Y'all ready for this, man? Y'all not ready. What the fuck is this? These are my shoes. Oh my gosh. These are shoes, man. I thought my daughter brought me a damn Subway sandwich. Oh my, okay. Okay. I got to laugh, not to fucking be mad, man. Shit. Oh man. Okay. All right. Um I'll I don't know what. I don't know, man. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, yo. Oh man, I'm going back to sleep. I'm going back to sleep. I can't believe this shit. I'm dreaming. I'm dreaming. Yeah. I'm out of here, man. I'll holler at y'all later, man. I'm about to go eat my sandwich. This is bullshit. Really, dude? Thank you. Thank you. Hey, man. I'm gonna make a separate video for this one right here, man, because I don't got the energy right now. I don't want to fake shit with you guys. Okay? I want to come back in a better mood because I'm pissed. I'm laughing, but I'm fucking hot right now. Okay? So I'm gonna make a separate video for these shoes later. But I just want to show you how these shoes came delivered to me, man. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all. Y'all be easy, man. I get y'all later. Deuces.